Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be reacting to some of the memes I'm going to check online right now. So I'm going to search some of these developers memes, programming memes, and then I'm going to explain them and also react to them. So let's go. I'm going to go to Google and start searching. Okay, let's go to Google. So I'm going to Chrome. I'm using Chrome to search. Okay, yeah, we have. So I'm seeing several ones here, and I'm going to just pick them randomly to check them. Okay, so I'm going to start with this particular one. It says, you were supposed to destroy them, not join them. Okay, so this one is not funny, but it's a reality. It's something that happened, like, for real. Imagine what you're supposed to use to stop something from, like, to stop something bad from happening, and that thing itself is already bad. Like, how would you feel? So that is task manager. So what you're seeing now is a task manager that is not responding. You have series of softwares on your laptops open, but they just seems not to be responding, and you need to like really close them using task manager. So you go to task manager, and the next thing is for you to close them. Task manager itself is not opening. Like, why instead of you to save me, you are also joining them to destroy me. Like, why? That is how I would feel at that point. I've not experienced that before, but I don't want to experience it because I'm going to feel so angry, so confused. Like, I don't know what to do because it's not fair. Like, it's not fair. So yes, that is not funny, but yeah, it makes sense. So this says, how did you fix that production box? Senior developer, intern, I commented the code. That is something no one should do. You can comment out a particular part of the code when you're trying to debug and understand what exactly is wrong with the code, but not commenting it out just to like run away from the problem. Like, what if what you want to do actually needs that particular type of that particular code? Like, don't do that. You can do it just to like know where the issue is coming from, but not because you are trying to run away from the problem. I have done it sometimes, majorly just to like identify if that particular part of the code is what is affecting my work, but that does not mean that I'm using it to run away. Please don't. If you're a developer and if you're a non-developer, we don't do that. Don't mind them. Maybe we do, maybe, I don't know, I didn't say. Okay. Okay, this might not be relevant now because from what I'm seeing, it says, with the lockdown, you will have some time to rest. Oh, I'm a software engineer. That's the facts, that's the reality. So when people are on lockdown and they can't work because it requires their physical appearance, software engineers don't even have to be there to work. In fact, they make working online much more easier. So they don't have a rest time. There's a bug that has been like a pain in the ass that you're trying to figure out how to solve, and then there is lockdown. That does not mean lockdown affects you. You keep on looking for how to solve it, how to remove the bug. So yes, no resting for a software developer. But that's the reality. Okay, so okay, this is when you can't find an example of code to steal from Stack Overflow. No, impossible. Perhaps the archives are incomplete. That is what I would feel when I found out that my question or my problem that I'm putting on Stack Overflow to check for solution for is not even there to begin with. Like nobody has encountered that problem. Then something is wrong with either me or the system itself. Because how can a platform that has millions of developers giving solutions and asking questions like still can't even do anything? Like they can't help me solve my problem because they've not encountered it before. Like I'm freaking out. I won't, like that's the fact. I am going to freak out. Like I am definitely going to freak out. So this one, it says that okay, let's see. This one says that 100 tabs open. Not sure where the sound is coming from. I don't know about you, but I can relate to this. I've been in that kind of situation before where I've opened like I can't even count how many tabs I opened down. Even with different I've opened with different browsers, and then after a while I was working, I think one of the platform I was working on actually have a video ad, and then it started playing, and I'm like, where is this coming from? How to like really check on each of, because I knew I was not I didn't have YouTube on, so there was no way, and I was not playing music, so it was from one of those tabs, and I started searching each of these tabs. Like a hell of work, if you ask me. I don't want to do that again, but I don't have a choice, because there are times when I have projects that I'm working on, or something I saw a good article that I want to go back to, and instead of just bookmarking, I just leave the page open down, go to another page to work to do other things. So I have a series of pages I could navigate to whenever I want them easily. So why would I want to be closing the tabs? Okay, maybe because I don't want to like but seriously, it happens. Okay, this says that my code doesn't work. I have no idea why. My code works. I have no idea why. So you are in that state where you are like confused, because first thing, the code is not working. You are still trying to figure out what exactly is wrong. And then in another scenario where the code is working and you're like, how come this thing I wrote is working? Like, what did I do? What magic did I perform? So yes, you can actually be in that kind of, that kind of confused state where you're like, what exactly is happening right now? Yeah, so yes, code works, you're confused. Code doesn't work, you're confused. That's, in fact, that defines you as a developer. Definition of developer: code works, confused. Code doesn't work, confused. Okay. Okay, this says that I thought you did websites for businesses on a budget. And my response, I didn't say it was a small budget. So I love the answer because, like, seriously, why do people make it feels as if what we're doing does not even amount to anything? Like, you just want us to charge you, I don't know, like peanuts. We're not doing charity work. It's a different case when it's a charity project. Like, you just feel like, okay, I'm going to do this project for you for free. That's fine. But then, even when I say that a project is based on budget, you should actually understand that even with the budget, whatever website or product I'm going to provide for you is going to be worth that amount of money you're paying. So why do you make it feel as if what we're doing doesn't make any sense? Like, we do a lot of work just to make sure that your online shop, your online presence, your online address, your online company, it's so attractive and functional for those that are coming, your potential clients and like your returning clients, so that they feel quite happy to do business with you. We go extra miles to get that done, even with the budgets that we give you. Like, when we're working with small businesses just to help them, but that does not now mean that you should make it an insult. Like, for real. Have you ever had a situation where I went on a really big budget, a really low budget for a particular client, and the client even ended up not paying for the whole project at the end of the day and kept mute? Anyway, I'm still thinking, should I redirect to the website? Okay, let's move on to the next one. The next one is, wait, my phone is locked. Okay, the next one is okay. I love it, but there are a few more changes I think we should make. Dad, you see that face? Is the feeling I feel like that face. I can understand that face, because imagine you giving us what you want, we actually achieve that, and then we submit a project to you, and then the next thing the person is saying is, I want you to add this additional feature. Man, are you ready to pay more? But seriously, there's some features that when you didn't integrate it from the onset, it's just gonna be like a lot of work when you want to like put it for. Then some clients even ask for things that are nearly impossible to do. I don't know why they don't think it through before they give the project out, or like, for real. Anyway, we love you, our clients, we love you doing business with you, but please be considerate. Please. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Which probably is going to be the last. Okay. This is not the last one. Okay, I'm going to do two more. This says web developer edits, HTML and CSS. Level of the edit is just at the back. PHP is just it's just like this. Then my SQL is like, you're having a guys are just so funny. Like looking at it is just funny. Like, it's telling me the headaches at the back. So this actually, for me, this is JavaScript is, I don't know, HTML and CSS I can work with very well. Yes, CSS also has its own headache, of course, but not as much as JavaScript. I'm not really familiar with PHP that much and my SQL, so I can't really say how their headache is like. But I can say for JavaScript, this is real. Like this type of headache is definitely real. Okay, so let's move on to the last one. Okay, this is going to be the last name I'm going to okay. This is unfair. This is unfair. Like web developer with a job, web developer without a job. This is unfair, guys. Why? Who did this? We're not like entirely like this. Yes, we also we have those times when we are just so engrossed in work and then not really look at ourselves that much, but it's not like really terrible. Yeah, it's not really terrible. We still stand up, we still eat, we still drink coffee, we still okay, we still go out. Yes, we go for events. What's the world? But it's not as terrible as what I'm saying right now. It's not that terrible. We take care of ourselves too. Yeah, we might not be in the fashion set of people, but we do take care of ourselves. We do. Don't believe them. Okay guys, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you love this video, don't forget to like the video down there and also comment, share. And please don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click on the red button to subscribe. And always stay safe. See you in my next video. Bye.